All right, let's look at example number 2 from section 3.2. Samir is the cost estimator for a landscape company, an important job. You need to give people accurate quotes so they can tell whether or not to use your service. He has to calculate the amount of material needed to construct a circular outdoor patio from paving stones. The diameter of the patio is 13 meters. One bundle of paving stones cover 116 square feet. Samir has ordered 11 bundles of paving stones. Did he order enough? Well, let's take a look at this information. So it's going to be a circular outdoor patio. That's important. The diameter of the patio is 13 meters. That's an important number. And one bundle covers 116 square feet. And he's ordered 11 bundles. The question we're trying to ask is, did he order enough paving stones? All right, so let's sketch this out. He's building a circular patio. And it's got a diameter of 13 meters. Now, the paving stones talk about square feet. So we can't really deal with square feet if our patio is measured in meters. So we need to change our meters into feet. So, how many feet? No, let's use a variable. So how many feet are there in 13 meters? If there is 0.3048 meters in 1 foot. Now, wait a minute. I did something wrong. Notice how it's feet and meters across the top and meters and feet across the bottom. I need to switch this guy around. Right, always check. It's got to be 1 foot has 0.3048 meters. This is better. It's all meters on the bottom. It's all feet on the top. So it's going to be 13 times 1, which is just 13 again, divided by 0.3048. 42.65. So this is, the diameter is 42.65 feet. Now I'm keeping this whole number in the calculator. So now, because I'm dealing with paving stones, and I have to deal with the area. So I'm going to write out my formula for area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. Oh, now look here. This is radius. I have diameter. So I have to take my diameter and divide it by 2 to get me my radius. So I'm going to write that down somewhere over here. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to 42.65 divided by 2. Now I've got the number in my calculator, so I just hit divide by 2, and I get 21.3. I get 21.33 when I round it, feet to be my radius. That's what I need for this formula. So now, pi times 21.33 squared. Now I still have the exact precise number in my calculator, so I can do this in one step. I'm going to square this first. And I'm going to get this, but you don't need to write out this step. You can just go straight to the end. Pi times 0.78. Then I times it by pi. Now I get 1428.7. 1428.7 square feet. It's rounded. So now I know the area, but did this question ask me about the area? No. Did he order enough paving stones? So one bundle covers 116 feet squared. So how many bundles is it going to take for this? So how many bundles will it take for 1,428.7 square feet if 1 bundle is 116 square feet. So I take that number and I divide it by 116 is equal to 12.3. 12.3 bundles. So it's going to take 13 bundles. I need to round this up because I need to have extra. If I rounded down like normal, it wouldn't work out, because in a practical situation like this, you need to have extra. You can't come up short. So even though it's 12.3, because of the situation, I have to round it up. So he's going to need 13 bundles, but it says that Samir ordered 11 bundles. Did he order enough paving stones? No. He did not order enough. He should order 2 more. All right, so that's how we do that question. Remember, read the question, identify your information in the question, identify what the question is trying to ask, draw a picture, convert measurements before you start doing area questions. Do your area, and then check to make sure that you answer the question on the end. And in a circle, if you're given the diameter, you need to divide it by 2 to get the radius. Lay out your work so that everything's nice and neat and everything's organized. Equal signs go vertically like this. You do not chain them horizontally. And make sure that it's easy for someone to come and see all your work.